Samsung dryer it's not heating up. Pretty much already got some of these bolts loosened, but I just want to show you what you'll probably have to do to go into it. We just got these clips here. You have to press it back. Get this up. Press this one and down, and it comes up. You want to loosen this Phillips screw, these two, and also these up here, and this whole top, this whole front should come off. Let's see, it's got these already loose. And this right here, you're gonna have to press in for the release. Make sure you disengage your arm. That's your door connector. Pretty much it just slides out. That connector right there. Come off. And then you want to loosen these 4 Phillips screws. You have to lift up off this. You also have to take off these this screw and this screw and this one, and disconnect your own wire harness, and that goes to your moisture sensor. It should come right on up, but you're gonna have to lift off it. It sits on wheels, so you're gonna have to lift up off it. These the wheels that's on sitting on. It's a good time to, while I'm here, just clean out all that lint. It's hard to get to it while it's assembled and in the machine, but when you get to this far, you might as well just clean it out. You can take but a second. But yeah, and what I'm checking for is this heating element right back here. I mean, you got ways you can just take the heating element out, but I like to go ahead and just take the whole thing, because I might find out some more problems. Could be a wire loose. I just do a little extra. I mean, while you're here, it ain't gonna take but a glance at it. Just like that. Yeah. I always remember taking the belt off, you just have to rotate this over, under, around the motor. But it's the issue. And yep, that's the issue. Wires burn up. And somehow or another, this came loose. It's supposed to be tied into this fuse. Wow. You see the heating element, it works. And you got a bad fuse. It's not showing no continuity. And the cycling fuse is good. So the issue is this fuse here. Pretty much repair those wires. But still gonna have to get a fuse. Fuse right here. Yeah. This one a working fuse. And I also noticed while I was here, got a bad wheel. I was wondering why it was sounding like that. So I'm gonna place this right here. Yeah, I didn't have a wheel, so I'm gonna have to order a wheel. But the problem was it wasn't getting heated, and that was due to bad fuse and burnt wires. But be on the next video and see if it worked. But I have to get a wheel.